Well, keep listening to him. Try and mimic him.
Huh?
Try and mimic him.
Oh, Fred, can we put you back in your cage, please?
Leave him for next.
Mm.
Is it Jingle Bells? Go on, give him a kiss. Give him a kiss, go.
Oh, Fred, shut up.
Tell him to shut up.
He doesn't want you.
He doesn't want me at the minute, does he?
Huh?
It's very select, isn't he?
Pretty boy, pretty boy. Pretty boy, pretty boy.
Well, don't whistle and just keep talking to him. Hello there.
Hello. Hello, Fred. Hello. Hello. Hello.
He actually does speak that, doesn't he?
Huh?
He actually says it as well, doesn't
Pretty
he?
boy. Yeah. Did you not think he did?
Just sounds far too like it, doesn't it? I didn't think he talks that much. I thought it just...
No, it's definitely pretty boy.
Hmm.
It's definitely pretty boy. You can hear it though. Pretty boy, pretty boy.
Who's a pretty boy?
You're a pretty boy.
So he doesn't mind being on your shoulder whistling to you if you want to stroke him.
Hello. Hello, Freddy. Hello, Freddy.
Oh, he can see himself on the camera. And let's see if he does his wolf whistle.
Look who's on camera.
God, you've got loads of freckles on that.
I look awful. Freckles.
Yeah, it looks like you've got loads of freckles on. It's because it's HD though.
I've got quite a few freckles, though, haven't I?
He wants attention.
Hmm?
You're not getting him attention.
Pretty boy. Should we put you back now, Freddy?